My name is Lee. In this video, I'm going to introduce one free SEO tool which is very popular in China, Baidu Analytics. Baidu Analytics has the same features and functions as the Google Analytics. You will also have to register a free account for Baidu Analytics if you have a Chinese language website, because Baidu search engine has a dominant advantage to the Chinese language websites if you want to monitor your website's SEO performance in China market. So here is the website tongji.baidu.com. If you want to start register user, let me click the menu on my top right hand registration here. So you will find 3 users entry. The first one is for the webmaster user whose website focuses on various kinds of medias. And the second one is for the PPC client who opens Baidu PPC plan. And the third one is for mobile users. So you can choose the right category based on your business purpose and features. I will save your time not to show you the details how to register. And one important reminder is to prepare one email address acceptable to Baidu, because some free emails are not acceptable here. So after you finish the registration step, you will be able to find a coding. So please copy the coding and paste to the head of your page, and you can have your website developer to help it for you. So let me log in the demo to show you how Baidu Analytics work. And here on the page, it's similar as Google Analytics. They have the same features and functions. It's the same logic for you to wait for 1 or 2 months to wait for the Baidu Analytics to collect enough history and data so that it can generate a report for you. And this is the demonstration page. And here is the summary of your SEO report. So let me show you the details. And you will be able to see the data reflecting your recent history. For example, you can find the history of the recent 1 week or the recent 1 month or today and yesterday. So for example, you can find the page view volume here, the PV, and the unique visitor volume, and IP addresses, and bounce rate, and also the average visiting time of staying on your page. And this is the conversion rate if your pages have booking shopping cart, or you have an inquiry forms for the visitors to fill in the forms, and then you can find the data here. And then this one, and this just show you the trends of visitors during the last 7 days or the last 30 days. And you can click PV or UV, and then you can find the features for more details. And Baidu Analytics will be able to generate reports such as the top 10 source websites here. So let me click here. Yeah, this is the top 10 websites. And top 10 visiting pages here. And the top 10 search keywords. And you can also find the percentage of new visitors and old visitors here. The new visitors and old visitors. And also there are ages of visitors and its location. And this function is very helpful for SEO specialists and webmasters. The SEO analysis, where you can find the result based on time, today, yesterday, or recent 7 days, and within 30 days, and even longer, so that you can check the performance of visiting numbers unique visitor, page view, conversion number, and rate and bounce rate. If you like even further details, you can distinguish the visitors by the channel of mobile or computer, locations, new or old visitors, so that you can study the data and adjust your marketing plan and strategy. For this feature, SEO Analysis, you can find the keywords ranking details here, and you can find which keywords has a good performance based on the Baidu index rating and the UV, PV, and bounce rate, and the visiting time staying on the pages. And so this is important data to the SEO specialist to understand which keywords are more popular and higher attraction to the visitors, and which keywords are placed at weak level, and that is what the company wants to increase higher exposure. Then the SEO specialist will do the best to improve the effect in the next phase of digital marketing. And so on this page, you can find the percentage of the visitors. Some visitors coming from the direct visiting the websites, and some from the search engines, and some visitors coming from the external links. So that is the summary of the sources of visitors. Okay, so this is the demo of the Baidu Analytics. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please be free to contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.